Hi guys, and welcome to House of Science with Mihi Hannah. With the COVID-19 restrictions, level 4, we are no longer able to get out to schools, so I thought that I would have a few experiments that children can do at home. So the first one comes out of our fireworks kit, and it is the tea bag experiment, something that was requested by a student of mine, Ananya. So what you need to do first and foremost is take a tea bag, but not just any tea bag. This one needs to be able to fold out. So they're the ones that you can see that have got an extended part through here and a gap in here. So for this experiment, students will be able to observe, identify and describe the effects of fire. You will need a tea bag, a saucer, and a lighter. Of course, please make sure that you do this with your parents with you. Carefully take off the staple at the top of the bag, being very careful not to puncture any holes or make any tears. Remove all of these parts to it. Undo the bag, open the bag out, and then tip the contents into another container. Now you have a cylinder of very light paper. You want to smooth it out to create a cylinder shape. And then carefully stand it upright on your saucer. Voila. For this experiment, I'll place on my safety glasses. Take your lighter, make sure you light all the way around the top. And there you have it. One tea bag rocket. So how does this happen? Well, the burning tea bag causes a column of hot air and gas from the combustion to rise above it due to convection. When the bag becomes light enough, it carries up in a convection current. So there you have it. That was one experiment that you can find in the fireworks kit with House of Science, and something that you can try at home with your families. There were two key words that we covered during this experiment. That was combustion and convection. So you can find out about those things. And be sure to share your own experiments from home. Have a scientastic day.